As a result of their abundant nutritional composition, eggs are widely regarded as a good food for the development of muscle. The following is an in-depth discussion of the reasons why eggs are useful for the building of muscle. First, a high-quality protein that includes. Eggs are a source of complete protein, which means that they hold all of the essential amino acids in their composition. Amino acids are the fundamental components of proteins, and they are also an essential component in the process of repairing and growing muscle tissue. The protein found in eggs has a high biological value, which indicates that the body is able to utilize and absorb it in an effective manner. Because of this, eggs are an excellent source of protein for the building of muscle. 2. The amount of leucine in the product. The branched-chain amino acid, BCAA, known as leucine, is an essential component in the process of promoting the production of muscle protein. Eggs, and egg whites in particular, contain a high amount of leucine, which is considered to be beneficial for maximizing muscle building following resistance training. 3. Vitamins and minerals. Eggs are an excellent source of a wide variety of vitamins and minerals, which are necessary for maintaining overall health and proper muscle function among individuals. For example, vitamin D, vitamin B12, vitamin A, and minerals like iron and zinc are included in this category. The absorption of calcium, which is essential for muscular contractions, is specifically facilitated by vitamin D, making it an especially critical nutrient for maintaining healthy muscles. 4. Choline. Eggs are one of the greatest dietary sources of choline, which is an essential nutrient that is vital for the function of muscles as well as it is important for overall health. Choline is involved in a variety of brain activities, including the control of muscles and memory systems. The 5th point is about satiety and managing your weight. Eggs are well known for their ability to satiate, which means that they can assist in the regulation of hunger and hence aid to the management of weight. To ensure that your muscles remain in good health, it is essential to keep a healthy weight. Convenient and versatile. This is the 6th point. In addition to being easy to cook, eggs may be incorporated into a wide variety of delicious dishes. Eggs are a versatile and easy way to ingest high-quality protein. Eggs can be prepared in a variety of ways, including boiling, scrambling, poaching, or including them in dishes. Eggs have a protein that is quickly digested, which means that it is immediately available for the body to use. This is the 7th benefit of eggs. For the purpose of promoting muscle growth and repair, this is essential for the proper absorption and utilization of nutrients. Eggs are a vital complement to a diet that is designed to build muscle. Nevertheless, it is important to note that overall dietary patterns, exercise routines, and lifestyle factors also play crucial roles in achieving and sustaining muscle growth. For optimal muscle development, it is necessary to consume a diet that is inclusive of a wide variety of foods and to engage in strength training exercises on a consistent basis. If you have special dietary issues or health conditions, it is recommended that you seek the guidance of a healthcare or nutrition professional in order to receive individualized recommendations.